How to fix Telegram verification code not received. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Telegram verification code not getting received. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is of course open up your Telegram. Now here you will need to type in your phone number. After you type in your phone number, if you tap on continue, you should get a verification code. Now, if that does not work, what you might want to do is make sure that you check the country code. Make sure that you're using your correct country code. And after you use your correct country code, just type in a correct phone number. Now, after you do that, you should be getting your verification code. But if you're not getting it, the reason might be because that Telegram server might not be working correctly for now. So you can wait for a few hours and then try again. If that does not work as well, head over to your settings and head over to your messages. If you don't find messages here, head over to the apps section on the bottom and simply search for messages. Open up messages and there you should see an option that says filter unknown senders. Now, the reason why you are not getting the messages can be that your messages app or your iPhone is filtering out unknown senders, so you do not get the code. So you can head over to your messages section as well, and there you should see unknown senders. Head over to unknown senders to check all of the messages. So those are the fixes for your Telegram verification code not being received, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.